question is, we have two springs and their spring constants are given K1 and K2. The spring constants are given K1 and K2 and a mass M is attached with it. If the block is displaced by distance x and released, the block is displaced by distance x and released, what will be initial acceleration? Okay, so see, in this case, if you displace the block in rightward direction, suppose rightward direction, then the left spring will get stretched. This spring will get stretched and hence it will try to exert a force in leftward direction. So force due to this one will be K1 into x. In which direction? Leftward. And if you see the right spring, the block is going to compress this spring. So if this spring will compress the right spring, initially they were unstretched. So if you displace it, it will compress the spring. So it will compress the spring, and as it compresses the spring will exert in force in which direction? Again leftward. So this will also exert a force in leftward direction. Now one of the, although the left spring is getting stretched and right spring is getting compressed, but finally the force is going to be in leftward direction in both the cases. So we displace the object in rightward direction and we get the force in leftward direction. So the net force will be addition of these two. So K1x plus K2x, that is the net force, and acceleration will be F by m. That will be K1x plus K2x divided by m, and it will be, acceleration will be in leftward direction, leftward, and displacement was rightward, and we are getting leftward acceleration. So that is coming because we have x equal to minus kx, that's why. So how much is, so this will be the answer. So numerical values are not given, we can directly write it like this, x K1 plus K2 by m. So this will be the answer.